All right, so now we're going to do some open pitches as mentioned by the host. The open pitch is where you can come over here. You have a minute and a half max to pitch whatever you want, whether you're looking for a co-founder, whether you're looking for funding, you want people to try your product. This is the stage for that. And yeah, we're going to start it off, but be precise. We have a timer going. Make sure, do not forget to leave your contact details. That's very important. All right, let's start it off.
Hi, how is everyone? I'm Aman with Orbit Marketplace. I launched Orbit, which is an app for college students to buy and sell things hyper-locally. And what sets it apart from the Quickers and OLXs of the world is the UI has a social take on it. So a lot of our users describe it as Instagram meets OLX. And it's also hyper-local. So when you launch the app, it picks up your location in real time. So it'll show, if you even launch it now, you'll see listings within 500 feet, 1,000 feet of IIT. So I'm here on stage because we do have a few people on our tech team, but we are looking for a technical co-founder to occupy this position of a CTO, and we are also looking for investors. And we launched a year ago. We have about 20,000 users. So if you and if you want to reach out to me, it's Aman, AMAAN, at orbitmarketplace.com. We'll accept cash right now, too. Okay? Bye.
All right, great. Next up, we have Advait. Okay, go for it.
Hey guys, my name is Advait and I'm from Kazob. So what we do is we're trying to bridge the gap between college education and what's really happening in the industry. So we invite people from the industry to come and talk about a specific topic that the students are studying about. The advantage for the student is that they get some industry insights, and the advantage for the person who we are interviewing is that they get to promote themselves as potential employers. So like one of the customers that we're trying to target are startups, because startups also have some expertise in the domain that they have started up in. So if you're interested in reaching out to a bunch of potential users or potential recruits through our platform, it's all online. You can get in touch with me. My email is adwaitdan, that's ADWAITDAN at Kazorb, CAZORB.com. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, a tip for maybe the guys who are going to be open pitching. Maybe your social media handles if you're on Twitter or something, so that it's easier for you all to connect. All right, next. Fine.
I'll just introduce myself. Hi. Hello, everyone. My name is Ankur Gupta. I'm from Campus Mall. What we are doing is we're working with premier schools and colleges across India, setting up merchandising store for them online. So we work with a lot of Bombay schools and colleges where you can go online and buy pride wear, t-shirts, hoodies, anything to flaunt where you've spent, some great memories in school and college, and to flaunt that in your daily lives today. You can, so all the Bombay colleges are listed at campusmall.in, so you can navigate that through. I just wanted to share what we're doing to bring awareness about the pride wear that we're working on. Our Twitter handle is at campusmall, CAMPUSMALL. And if anyone wants to have any question, I'll be around. Thanks.
Okay, great. That was less than 1 minute. Impressive.
Hi, everyone. My name is Uttam Arjun. I'm from Motomojo Technologies Private Limited. Motomojo is basically application for car and bike servicing. The way you order your food through, Swiggy or Food Panda. Similarly, you can you can book your servicing through Motomojo application. Our vision is very simple, that user should not feel cheated when it comes to car or bike servicing when he thinks about authorized or local service center. That's our vision. We launched 5 months back. We have 3,000 plus users. We are revenue making from day one, and we have already raised our angel fund. We are now looking to raise our next fund to scale up our model in other cities. Thanks. Sorry, my contact Sorry. My contact, you can connect with me on my email ID. That's uttam.arjun@motomojo.in. Thanks.
Yeah, I need your services. My car has been stuck in the workshop for a month now. All right, 2 more open pitches for now.
My name is Hamza, and I'm not going to go ahead and give you what I do and all. I'm just going to try and give you a story. Imagine that you're still in college. Most of you are, some of you are rather. Imagine you're in a college and you've been given your timetable by your teachers or the college management, and a similar copy has been given to your teachers. Now say that teacher decides to cancel that lecture on her piece of paper. What if magically your piece of paper could automatically reflect that? Along with that, think about it. Another lecture, someone adds a submission, your teacher adds a submission on it, and your piece of paper can actually replicate the same thing. Not just that, it can pop out of your bag and remind you, hey dude, you have a submission tomorrow. That's what we try to do. Olufsing helps manage colleges, their entire schedule, assignments, submissions. At the same time, we also give insights to the colleges in terms of how much they're using your real estate, how optimally they can use their real estate. And teachers can also automatically find classrooms and available slots for their students. So everything before buying apparels and everything after getting admission in your college. Thank you.
Maybe, is that of value to you? Yeah, okay, you guys should connect. This is again one of the things TIE is all about, is the network of entrepreneurs as well as charter members. Anyways, this is, have you guys seen this before? Come on, where's some, I want some squishy ball love for this guy, come on.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Today's theme is sustainable business, so I give you pitch accordingly. I am a member of TIE since last 7 years, and I participate all the programs, and I bring lots of energy from all participate and sharing knowledge. Let me tell about my venture. I do VoIP, internet telephony business. We have crossed more than 200 crore of transactions, 100,000 customers in more than 20 countries, and billions of minutes we have connected people. Now, to help my existing sustainable business, I'm going to initiate a new startup on IoT field. So, using technology of sensor, drones, ultrasound, that's more actually. So our passion is building a customers. Our mission is let's make better world through smart technologies, and our vision is making happy families. So I invite here individuals who can help in our operation, in our development, sales, supports, and also friends to be a friend, part of our family, also investors. Thank you very much.
All right, and this is the last open pitch, and then we move on to the next panel.
I wish I could do this. I know I can't, but I'll still ask you to imagine, what if this room was completely black? There's no electricity. And let me add some more twists. There hasn't been electricity in your lives forever. This is what my social enterprise is trying to eradicate, the issue of energy poverty. We're trying to alleviate small houses and small businesses from the issue of energy poverty. We're trying to facilitate access to clean, affordable, and reliable electricity through solar PV, through decentralized solutions to people, families, small businesses who've never ever seen electricity. There's a constant health and safety risk. People die, people burn, houses have been burned, small children can't study, you can't engage yourself in any productive activities. And it's all because you're living in dark after sunset. So this is what me and my colleague Akshay does. We are trying, our ask is simple. Are there any socially responsible investors in this room? We would like to share our idea in detail with you. Some people who would like to intern or work or just be on board and help us drive our mission forward, you're most welcome. I'll save you time and effort to write my Twitter handle on your mobile phone. Anyone interested, just raise your hand. I'm carrying a ton load of business cards which have not been used since morning. I'll come and deliver it to you. Thank you.
First, Gupshup. Yeah, this is also going to be considered as an open pitch. You have 1 minute.
Hello. Hi guys, how are you doing? I think everyone is enjoying the session here. We are GupShop, we are a chatbot building platform. So if anyone has been following the consumer technology recently, there is a massive expansion in chatbots where every brand, every business is trying to build something on chatbot, and there are a lot of messaging channels who has opened up their API, and we actually are a platform which provide cross platform APIs where you can build one chatbot for all these messaging platforms. The reason we are here is to showcase our platform, and we want more and more developers and non-developers to come to our platform, use it, and send us feedbacks. That's our agenda of coming here today, and we have go to gupshop.io, and you have all set of information there to do it. Thank you.
One thing that I am forced to kind of tell is, guys, there's a GupShop workshop on bot builders happening at 1:45 p.m., room number 21, which is on one floor above.
What is this bot business here? Huh? No, the last time we heard of a bot was during my Yahoo chat days, you know, when I was looking for a girl and there'd be somebody, oh, no, don't chat with that girl, she's a bot.
You want me to explain?
5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, so chatbots basically are another software program which you can send and receive messages. So think about you chatting to a friend on Facebook Messenger, and suddenly you guys planned out, okay, let's hang out at a pub nearby, but you need to take a Uber. Now, what do you usually have to do? You have to close your Facebook Messenger, then go to Uber's app, and then book a Uber, right? Think about what if you could have done that directly from Facebook Messenger. So you can search for Uber bot on Facebook Messenger, just enter your location and send it where you want to go, and it books an Uber for you. You don't have to have an Uber app specifically for that, right? That's basically a chat bot, right? Another example I would give is you guys might be traveling domestically, and we have like 10 different airlines. Done? This example? Can I? So yeah, so now you are in a hurry and you want to do check-in. What options you have? Either you should have an app of that particular airline, or you have to go to their web page on your phone, right? But think about, they have a chat bot. You go to Facebook Messenger, already chatting to friend, search for Jet Airways bot and say, hi, I want to check in. It asks for your PNR and it checks you in. So wouldn't that be easier? You don't have to download anything. You don't have to do anything. That's what a chat bot is, and I'm expecting a lot of you in our workshops today. Thank you.
Okay. Next up, we have IDFC Bank.
Hi, everyone. So you must be thinking, what is a bank doing in a market where all these startups are there? So IDFC Bank is just like you all. IDFC Bank is also a startup, and that is why we have partnered with TIE, so that we can also interact with startups. So I just was listening to the discussions which are going on, that the business has changed. The way people did business has changed a lot. And in the same way, the way people did banking has changed a lot. So now there are no more queues, and none of you would have standing in a queue outside a bank to withdraw cash or to deposit cash or something. So we have come up with some technological solutions. We are using technology to make life of people better. We can open your saving account only on the touch on the tab. You touch your thumb on the tab and your saving account opens before you drink your coffee. Your current account gets opened by the help of tablets. So a simple thing which I came across in the interaction with a lot of you, that you are using payment gateways. So if you use a normal payment gateway, there's a logo of the bank on the top of it. If you use IDFC Bank's payment gateway, even when a customer goes to make a payment, IDFC Bank's logo is there. If you're using Forex, if you're converting Forex, we have the best Forex rates for you. We have that technology which would make your life easier, and you can sit back in your office, relax, and do banking with us on the touch of your mobile or your tablets or your laptops. You don't need to go to a branch. We would not be coming up with a lot of branches because our basic model is doorstep banking. We have a stall outside where we are demonstrating how you can open your saving account with the touch of your thumb and other features. You can come there and have a look at them. Is the time over? All right, thank you so much.
One thing I'd like to add, does your banker look like this? Like so cool, t-shirt, jeans, defining a startup bank.
Thank
Okay, so now we have time for the open pitches. And we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exactly 10 people. And some more. Yeah, fine. It's okay. We have time, right? And first thing we do is we disrupt. Not disruptive, but disrupt. Let's move everybody over there. We enter from that side of the stage, please. Thank you. Yeah. This is good, right? This is Obino style. You get to lose some weight.
Come on up. Okay, you have 1 minute.
So I'm not gonna do what I don't know what to do, and that's to pitch to investors. Especially though I really need you guys. I need investors. I'm not gonna come here. I mean, even though I need people to come work for me, I still don't know how to do that. So even if there are people who want to work for me, please come if you're interested. What I do is I work for a company called Juicy Fix. We make juice. We call ourselves the Juice Wala. Each and every one in this room needs me, needs my services. And I pitch, I sell. So that's what I'm going to do now. We make nutritional juice. These juices are fresh. They're 100% natural. They're yummy. Did I say they were fresh? They come to your doorstep every day in the morning between 7 and 9. It's like milk, only it's juice. It's nutritional and you need it. It's natural vitamins. I don't have any business cards, but what I've done is I basically written juicyfix.com on these squishy balls, and I like throwing them around. So if you all have squishy balls and you want to give it away, please, I'm collecting them so that I can throw my business card around. Here you go. Thank you. Remember juicyfix.com. Okay.
By the way, what's your name? Something.
Juicyfix.com.
All right, next up.
I wish I could be that exuberant, but not really. My product is not as vibrant. We are a software to help you make better apps. I believe there are a bunch of mobile entrepreneurs dishing out mobile applications day after day. And what really happens is, how do you create a better app? How do you create an app that's absolutely flawless? There are bugs all around, there are crashes. How do you get that information? So we are a SaaS-based solution. We have a small bit of code that you can put onto your app. And what we give you is we give you precious data. We extract data from your consumers' phones and give you data. I don't mean random data to kind of help you sell or whatever. We mean real data that your coder can use to find out the issues that the user, what he did to actually encounter that bug or crash. And then you can use that to get rid of these bugs. So crash reporting, exception reporting, bug testing is what we do. And a bug testing platform is actually any of your users. If you have 1 million downloads, any of them can report a bug in a second. Thanks. See, women need to be given extra time.
Looking for, man? One last sentence. What are you looking for?
We are looking for you guys to try us out. We're called UserNod, USERNOD.com. Come online, send us a message, and try it out. We're absolutely free for a while.
Okay, guys, let's for a while. Okay, here's something I learned from VC Karthik last year. Make your pitch in Hindi. All the jargon goes away. All the technicality goes away. Those words don't exist.
Pitches in Hindi comes up first. Jumps the queue.
हेलो स्टार्टअप का टेंशन यार काम का टेंशन यहाँ का टेंशन अरे क्या करने का है किधर जाने का है सब लोग का मेन चॉइस ऑल ओवर इंडिया इज गोवा यस आई एम फ्रॉम गोवा एंड आई एम फ्रॉम patrao.in वी आर अ बाइक रेंटल प्लेटफॉर्म a poultry farm entrepreneur is just distributing माफी चाहता हूँ आपके हाथ में ये छोटे छोटे लिफलेट्स मिलेंगे ये 100 रुपया हम बांट रहे हैं डिस्काउंट कूपन जो आपको गोवा में रिडीम कर सकते हैं आप बाइक रेंट पे ले लो यस वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद हम लोग बस बाइक रेंटल से चालू कर रहे हैं बट वी आर मूविंग इनटू मतलब आगे बढ़ के हम आगे इसमें भी बढ़ेंगे मतलब वो आपको नेक्स्ट टाइम स्मैशअप में बताएंगे patrao.in गोवा patrao.in बाइक रेंटल्स
I'm not going to do this. Okay, I'm not going to do this in Hindi. My name is Arjun. currently developing a mobile application by the name of Iris. And much like this forum, SmashUp, it's used for professional networking in a casual setup. So not only that, you can also help other people out. And not only that, you also get points. So it's gamified. Those points can be used towards discount vouchers, and you can access F&B setups, events, things like that. I'm currently looking for a co-founder. My email ID is arjunsingh.j@gmail.com. So please get in touch with me. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Major Abhishek Singh. We have been in the business of recruitment for now over 6 years. We are recruiting for some of the top startups existing in Mumbai. And we have just launched our app, Zuban, which has about 250 clients who are hiring people from there. We are a recruitment aggregator platform. We want to reach out to recruiters across India in B and C tier cities. And we are also looking at having business partners. Currently, we are operating in cities of Mumbai, Calcutta, and Delhi. So look forward to anybody who requires manpower or anybody who requires to be a business partner in any of the cities. Please spread the word. Thank you so much. You can connect with me at Major Abhishek Singh. That's all. You can just Google me, you'll find me, or on LinkedIn, we can connect. Major Abhishek Singh. Thank you so much.
Hindi? Hindi. Hindi.
नमस्कार चलेगा ना ओके सब लोग यहाँ पर बिजनेस करने के लिए बैठे हैं एसेट्स होती है और लाइबिलिटीज होती है एज अ स्टार्टअप सब पर्सनल लाइबिलिटी दो शब्द तो निकलेगा ना अभी एसेट्स को मैं संपत्ति तो नहीं बोल सकता लाइबिलिटीज को जवाबदारियां नहीं बोल सकता हाँ तो मुझे ये कहना पड़ेगा कि आप अपनी सारी जवाबदारियां वहां दे देते हो बैंक में एज अ पर्सनल गारंटी यू हैव एवरीथिंग प्लेज्ड टू द बैंक्स सो वी हेल्प यू टू सेव योर एसेट्स and pass on your assets to your family and liabilities to us. We are basically into insurance, and we deal all kind of practical insurances, life and non-life. Especially when it comes to business, you don't have time to identify the right kind of a company for you. That's where I come in the picture. My name is Amit Kothari, and you can connect me at amit.kothari@prisminsure.com. I have a insurance servicing company known as Prism Insurance Services. Second thing, I want digital marketing people for myself. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Vaibhav Swarnakar and I'm from Vostrix. We started in 2013 as a service industry, and in recently we have pivoted from service industry business model to product-oriented model. And we have developed a cloud computing platform helping businesses and developers to make their applications to the market by up to 40 to 50% faster. And we are completely bootstrapped since 2013 and pre-revenue. Right now we are looking for investors to accompany us through our journey. And I mean, it would be great if any investors, we can have a discussion with any investors. We have, my partner Abdullah Parkar is here. He will share our business card with you. Thank you.
All right, we have time.
Hello, Sasindran here. I am just showing you here the news item about the quality of engineers coming out of engineering colleges. It's written first is in 2005 top ITI grads learn